everyone, my name is Gaurav Singh Bisht and I am explaining you cloud computing and its services. So first, introduction. Cloud computing is a technology that uses the internet and central remote servers to maintain data and application. Cloud computing allows consumers and businesses to use application without installation and access their personal files at any computer with internet access. Users do not have or need knowledge, control, ownership in the computer infrastructure. A simple example of cloud computing is Yahoo, email, or Gmail. All a consumer would need is just an internet connection and start sending emails. History of cloud computing: yesterday, today, and tomorrow. In 1960s, the American computer scientist named John McCarthy stated that computer will become a publicly available service in the future. This is what has happened today and cloud computing has made it all possible. He claimed that computer might be sold in future in the same way as utilities are electricity, water. The first company to develop commercially successful cloud computing technology was Amazon. The past. In the past, cloud computing was done through utility of supercomputers and mainframes. The problem with this setup arises from the cost needed to create a supercomputer or mainframe. The cost of past computing method was very high. The present. Today computing can be done with utility of the service offered by a provider that specialize on this industry. This makes the cost of computing lower comparative with the utility of supercomputer in the past, and this is the concept of cloud computing. Intelligent cloud computing is able to manage all of the resources efficiently. Tomorrow, as computer technology continues to progress, so does the capability of cloud computing. As fast computers and large virtual storage areas become available, cloud computing will also continue improving with it. It can be possible in the future that data processed in an hour today can be done in just a minute. Faster processor and connection will be the main proponents of this component. Life before cloud computing. Traditional business applications have always been very complicated and expensive. The amount and variety of hardware and software required to run them are daunting. You need a whole team of experts to install, configure, test, run, secure, and update them. When you multiply this effort across dozens or hundreds of apps, it's easy to see why the biggest companies with the best IT department are not getting the apps they need. A small and mid-sized business does not stand a chance. Life after cloud computing. With cloud computing, you eliminate those headaches because you are not managing an hardware and software. That's the responsibility of an expert vendor like Salesforce.com. The shared infrastructure means it would like a utility you only pay for what you needed. Upgrades are automatic and scaling up or down is easy. Cloud based apps can be up and running in days or weeks and they cost less. With a cloud app, you just and open a browser, log in, customize the app and start using it. Cloud services. There are three cloud services: software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Software as a service. Software as a service is the most widely known and widely used form of cloud computing. SaaS elements customers worries and about application, servers, storage, application deployment, and related common concerns of IT. Higher profile examples are Google Gmail and apps, Yahoo, Google, and Skype. Platform as a service, it delivers virtualized servers on which customer can run existing application or develop new ones without having to worry about maintaining the operation system over hardware. It provides deployment platform to create and run application in the cloud. Infrastructure as a service is designed to replace the functions of an entire data. Here, cloud computing provides grids of virtualized servers, networks, storage, and system software. This saves cost of capital equipment development. Advantages of cloud computing: online form of computing, reduce cost, more storage, automatically update, computing flexibility, mobility, shared resources, and no downloads. Disadvantages of cloud computing are security and privacy, dependency, loss of control, cost, and decreased flexibility migration problems. Examples of cloud computing are email. social networking, and working in a virtual office. So, this is the end. Thanks for watching.